In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate in Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook so you can follow along in real time. This tutorial is focused on a few simple keyboard shortcuts that can make moving around in Excel much faster and more efficient, especially when you're working with large spreadsheets or multiple worksheet tabs. Once your workbook is open, the first navigation shortcut to know is Control plus the up arrow or down arrow key. When you press Control and the up arrow together, Excel will move you quickly toward the very top of your data range or up to the top of the sheet depending on where your cursor is currently placed. If you press Control and the down arrow, Excel will jump downward to the bottom of your data range or toward the bottom of the sheet. This is especially useful when you're working with long columns of information and don't want to spend time scrolling manually. A helpful tip here is to make sure your active cell is somewhere within the data you want to move through. Excel uses the current position of your selected cell to determine where to jump next. If there are blank cells in the middle of your data, that can affect where Excel stops, so keep that in mind as you navigate. Another very useful shortcut is for switching between worksheet tabs in the same workbook. To move between tabs, press Control plus page up or Control plus page down. Control plus page up moves you to the previous sheet tab, while Control plus page down moves you to the next one. This can save a lot of time if your workbook contains several sheets and you need to move back and forth without reaching for the mouse. These shortcuts are simple, but they can significantly speed up your workflow. Instead of scrolling through rows or clicking between sheet tabs, you can move instantly with just a few keys. If you're learning Excel or trying to become more productive, building habits around shortcuts like these is a great place to start. Practice each shortcut a few times in your own workbook so they become more natural. The more you use them, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become while working in Excel. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.